everybody, this is Ronnie Gunther for my second strategy for our vocabulary strategies project. So this second strategy is called semantic impressions. This has probably got to be one of my favorite strategies that I found and I thought was super interesting. Basically, the students are going to be reading a story. When they are finished reading that story, the teacher and the students as a class are going to go through and, as you can see on my Poplet, they're going to choose a certain number of words that sort of maybe stood out, that they thought like were fun, interesting, that related to the story and that made the story sort of what it is. So for this example, there's the story Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs, and I picked the words pancakes, weather, rain, snow, prediction, damage, abandon, and supermarket. And so basically, after the teacher and the students have come up with this word list, the students, they can either do this individually or they can do them in pairs, in groups, however you think would be the best. But the students are going to come up with their own story using these specific words. And they have to use these words in order because this is the order that we found the words in the book, Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs. So as you can see in the biggest Poplet square, my story is, on Saturday I woke up super early because my mom made me pancakes. In the morning, the weather was so hot I could melt. I kept wishing that I was somewhere with rain or snow to keep myself cool. The day was just how I predicted, long and hot. My mom wanted to make sure that I did not damage anything when she went to the store, but I wanted to go with her. I felt abandoned if she left me alone to go to the supermarket. So they're just coming up with something short, sweet, using the same words so that way children are understanding the different contexts that these words can be used in. So they're not only focusing on the fact that pancakes were also in Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs, but like, oh hey, you eat pancakes in real life. Or you make predictions all the time. Like, people aren't just making predictions about the weather, they're making predictions about jobs and how baseball games are gonna play out and stuff like that. So I thought this strategy was super cool and super fun. This is definitely something that I would use in my own class. And again, I'm using Poplet on my second strategy also because it's just an easy way to add some text boxes where it's not always doing work necessarily on a worksheet or stuff like that. So, alrighty, thank you.